Hello everyone. In this video, I'll talk about one of nature's most powerful predators, wolves, and reveal some of their astonishing traits that still surprise scientists today. Toward the end of the video, I'll also share the story of how ancient wolves were reintroduced into the wild through scientific experiments in the United States. Nature has shaped itself over millions of years through a delicate and silent balance. Predators are one of the key elements in maintaining this balance. Yet among them, some stand out not just as hunters, but as symbols, legacies, and legends. The wolf is one such creature. Its haunting howl echoing through the wilderness is not just a means of communication, but a call, one of nature's oldest and most enduring voices. It's a sound that resonates not only in wild landscapes, but also deep within human history. Throughout the ages, wolves have been a source of both fear and admiration for many cultures. Their mastery of survival, endurance, complex social structures, and keen intelligence elevate them far beyond the role of a simple predator. Wolves live and hunt in packs, structured with clear hierarchies and led by dominant alpha pairs. Every member has a role to play, cooperating, protecting, raising young, with remarkable discipline and loyalty. These traits have made wolves powerful symbols of leadership, unity, and resilience across human civilizations. But the significance of wolves goes far beyond ecology. They have deeply influenced mythology, literature, and ancient beliefs. One of the most striking examples comes from Turkic culture. In Turkish mythology, the wolf is considered a sacred being. According to ancient legends, the ancestors of the Turkish people were saved by a she-wolf during a time of near extinction. She led them across vast lands and ensured their survival and rebirth. This myth is not just a fantastical tale. It reflects the wolf's perceived power, endurance, and guiding spirit. In many Turkish states throughout history, the wolf was used as a symbol of strength on flags, seals, and military insignia. Wolves are also known as the teachers of the steppe. They don't merely survive, they shape ecosystems. As scientists study them more closely, they continue to be amazed by the wolf's ecological influence. One of the most powerful examples of this comes from Yellowstone National Park. In the United States, gray wolves were once completely eradicated from the park. But in 1995, a groundbreaking reintroduction program began. At first, many opposed the idea. Farmers, hunters, and even some environmentalists were skeptical. Wolves were seen as dangerous and unpredictable. However, the results of this experiment surprised everyone. As wolves returned, they helped regulate the overpopulated elk herds. This allowed vegetation like willows and aspens to grow again. These plants stabilized riverbanks, brought back birds, beavers, and even changed the flow of rivers themselves. The entire ecosystem began to heal. This chain reaction is known in ecology as a trophic cascade, a powerful demonstration of how apex predators like wolves maintain balance in nature. They are not just hunters, they are architects of the environment. Today, scientific experiments involving wolves continue across the world. In ecosystems where wolves have disappeared, the natural chain has broken, leading to the decline of countless other species. Wolves are not only strong, they are vital. The gray wolves of North America, once feared and exterminated, have now become symbols of hope and restoration. Their reintroduction is one of the most inspiring examples of how humanity can begin to undo the damage it has caused to the natural world. The story of wolves, both scientific and cultural, makes them far more than just subjects of wildlife documentaries. They embody cooperation, leadership, freedom, and a deep respect for nature. Wolves remind us what it truly means to belong to the wild, not to rule over it, but to live within it, in harmony and balance